Now third answer. You are given a triangle ABC right angled at A and AD perpendicular to BC. Seeing that, you should know which theorem you have to apply. You have a right angled triangle and the perpendicular is originating from that right angle. That is theorem 6.7. That is, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. So you can prove that triangle ADB is similar to triangle CDA. Considering the ratios of the sides, you have AD by CD is equal to DB by AD. Cross multiplying, you will get AD square is equal to BD into CD. BD and CD is given in your question. That is, AD square is equal to 2 into 8, that is 16. AD is equal to 4 centimeter. I have seen students writing so many equations, adding, subtracting, and you are getting the final answer as 4 centimeter. Don't worry, you will not lose any marks as your steps are correct and the final answer AD is equal to 4 centimeter. Now fourth one. In your question, you are given that AC square is equal to BC square minus AB square. Okay, in your question, it is not directly given that your triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, but you have given that AC square is equal to BC square minus AB square. So that is a condition of Pythagoras theorem. Rearranging, you will get this. So applying converse of Pythagoras theorem, you will prove that angle A is 90 degree. Again, similarly in the previous question, A is a right angle, you proved it, and AP is perpendicular to BC and AP is originating from the right angle. So you can apply theorem 6.7 here. I told you don't write applying theorem 6.7, you should write the entire statement. Considering the statement to prove PA square is equal to PB into CP. You are considering the triangles according to the statement that you have to prove. Let us see which is the statement you have to prove. PA square. So this is needed. PB. This is needed. And CP. So which are the two triangles in which all the three terms are coming? If you need PA, you can either consider PAC and PAB. But here which you have PB and PC here. So the triangles which you have to consider is APC and APB. Okay. Considering triangle APB and considering triangle CPA, you will get AP by CP equal to PB by PA. PA square is equal to PB into CP. That is what you have to prove. Students, one more thing I have to tell you in this answer. Many of your answers I have corrected. You have one long statement proving that PA square is equal to PB into CP. But in that questions, I didn't understand where is that 2PC square going off suddenly. I have asked you so many students about that. Please reply to my question. So this is the correct proof of that. This is the answer for the fifth one. Checking for right triangles is applying Pythagoras theorem. You are given three numbers here, 13, 12 and 5. So first square it and find the squares of the numbers. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. You can see that 144 plus 25 is 169. So I can write it as 12 square plus 5 square is equal to 13 square. That is, this is Pythagoras theorem. For this measurements, Pythagoras theorem is valid. So this is the measurement of right triangles. And you know the longest side of a right triangle is its hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So by this we come to an end of our chapter triangles. Exercise 6.6 we will be dealing it later. during revision classes or when we deal with extra questions. So by exercise 6.5 we are winding up our chapter 6 triangles. The next video will be the conclusion video, that is a small summary about your chapter.